Hey everyone! Happy New Year and welcome back to our channel. And today we're super excited because we're here at Telos Spark Science Center. Telos Spark! Excited! Okay, come on, let's go! Go! No! Whoop! Just hold! Okay. Oh, that's enough na. Yeah, so yan. Nandito kami ngayon sa Telos Park together with her classmates. Ayan. Kung saan-saan sila pumupunta at sinasama ko dahil ako isang volunteer dito. Hindi ko na pwedeng i-video lahat ng footages dito dahil bawal siguro. Siyempre, ibang bata ang kasama. Bantay-bantay muna ako. Sige, see you later. Oh. Ayan, kasi para siyang lumilipad. Okay. Oh, ayan na. Ayan. Para siyang lumilipad. Ayan, parang yan. Ganyan. Yeah, puzzle.
Okay, you go there, Alyssa, and I go here. You guys! We're supposed to. Okay, Alyssa, go. I have the bananas. Oh, I got the. Yay! No!
How to make it bed of nails.
Bayan!
Go.
When are we going? This doesn't work.
Like 10 minutes.
You're scared?
14 minutes.
You're
No,
scared?
it's been like a couple minutes.
Okay, just keep on pressing. Go, keep on pressing.
Then it's tickle.
You're scared? A little. Okay, go. Oh, no, not yet. No, don't.
It doesn't hurt.
Oh, good. It doesn't hurt. Ah! Oh, see? Nice, right, Jen?
Don't look at it.
Looks like cloud, right?
Mama, can we go somewhere else? What is it?
What are you doing? What do you see? Siyang happy, oh.
What is that?
Puberty happens here. What is that? Smell. Scent memory, oh, see? Oh, you have to smell. What food? What's that? What celebration? What bird?
Oh, it smells yummy. Let me smell.
Here. You- I don't know what are they doing. Because you have to answer this. If I live to be 90 years old, I will what? Bien, what are you writing?
I go to heart.
Your heart. I love you. Oh my gosh. I will love you. Fashion station. Ayo. Darna. Bien, this is your favorite area, fashion. Teka, pagod na si Ana. Napagod si Khalid. This time, you just sit down there, see? It's okay. Siyempre. Fashionista. Yan. Galing niya. Sige, fashionista. Okay. Oh, my future. Oh, gold. Oh. Mga fashionista sila. Oh, naman. Okay, okay.
Okay, now it's my turn. Now it's your turn.
Okay.
Reaction is not going to happen right away. It's a reaction that will take a little bit of time.
And then that's the screen there. So, and hi Bien. You're excited? Oh. Pixelarius VR Zone. And ayan, meron silang 3 minutes para laruin. Hindi nila alam kung ilang minuto sila. Basta mag-enjoy lang sila.
Free to move. Remember the rules, no running and keep your distance from each other.
Okay, yan na nga. One, time's up.
Time's up, stand still where you are and don't try to remove.
You enjoy here? Okay. Okay. Ayan. Yes, just few minutes and then we're heading to bus. And